Enjoy and please subscribe for more. Morning, YouTube. I thought today I would give you a full classroom tour. Enjoy. I put these dots up until our students. You are you are kind, you are smart, you are loved, you are strong, you are amazing, you are capable, you are enough, you are caring, you are brave. Here's our firework display. Here's our Valentine's Day bulletin board. Happy Valentine's Day from my class to you. I'm starting February 20th. See the weekly vlogs to see what I'm doing. This Sunday, I believe. Welcome to pre-K or 6th grade with Mr. Hut. I'm doing a flexible seating. How I use it in a special education classroom. Stay tuned. Mr. J. Hatch's sped classroom. I put this dorma here. And here. Here's our welcome student mailboxes. Together we can move mountains. Everyone is welcome. Here is storage. Here is our cursive alphabet. This is the teaching center. Here in our learning, I have letter, number of the day, shape of the weekend, and our learning. Here's our primary alphabet and calendar time. Here is our affirmations. I am in classroom rules. Here is our table toys. Food we make. Everyone is welcome. Make today amazing. Here's our number sense posters. Here's a bulletin will slow down and start again. Daily members, you are loved. You are here. Here is our chapter book classroom library. Traits of good writing. B. Unique. Optimistic, honest, happy, responsible, amazing, open, patient, calm, yourself, dedicated, inspired, authentic, caring, fun, generous, forgiving, Heidi, supportive, brave. Here is our classroom jobs resources. And here is the classes that students aren't to be in. Here's our center, here's our com. I forgot to go there. Here's a couch, here's a floor table, and a cushion. Here's our floor standing option. Here's our counting. Here's pods. We're gonna want to go around the room. Posters. Here's the bathroom. Over there, if you can see. No students allowed. Here's our number line. Here's some kitchen tables. Let's go. This is the bathroom. In the shower. Here's our colors and shape bulletin board. Here's where they will turn in their work. Turn that in still. Here is Rainbow Peaks, Mr. Hut. Here's where I put stuff I need. Here's my teacher desk. This is my area. Pre-casings I printed out. And I place everything on here. Here's some fun. Here's some bar seating. Unique learning bulletin, news to you bulletin board. Here is our classroom library. I'll pan so you can see it. Books we've read. We love book reading, is fun. Books we love. I changed the letters. If you want, I can update my template. Some couches. Here's our toy area. I'll pan. Dramatic Play Center toy areas. Welcome, let's play. Here's the closet and picture book library. Dreams grow here. Here is our center table, therapy balls, center tables. More flexibility. Here's our stem. Here's our sensory. If you have any questions about my classroom, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you for watching. Bye.